Good morning, Rahina. It's Monday morning. I'm just going to be taking you for a little nature walk through here. Beautiful little park, and Dancy's Reserve it's called, and I'm in Pukekohe. I'm right beside a small creek that's running here. We're going to follow the creek to the other end. But I thought we'd start here with the New Zealand, the silver fern. It's a great way to start the morning, a great way to start a bushwalk. The silver fern, you can see the stalks are silver. That's the first thing to look for, the silvery stalks. And then looking up at the fronds of the fern, really, really beautiful. And we'll have a look at this one here. This looks like it's a pretty good specimen, pretty good display. So it's green, of course, it's green on this side, and then when you turn it over, it is silver. So if you're walking in the bush, it can be a good idea. You can just nip a little bit off the end. It's the shape of an arrow. You can put it on the ground, show your friends which direction you're going in. But that is the silver fern, the symbol of, well, one of the symbols of New Zealand. So little birds coming in to greet us as well. See, they just fall down everywhere. Beautiful, beautiful trees. We have 140 different ferns in New Zealand. Only one of them is silver. But there are others that look exactly the same. So let's go for a little wander through here. It is just after 7:30 a.m. in the morning, and I'm in this small nature walk, nature reserve. Looking across here, there's a small park with lots and lots of fruit trees in it, which is really nice for the locals here. So I'm in Pukekohe, which is South Auckland. Puke being hill, and kohe being a tree. This is a totara tree. So kohe is a type of tree as well. I'm not sure we'll find one in here. We'll have a look. So Pukekohe. I'm going for a walk over to the hill later. So there's bound to be some kohes over there. Kohe. This is a totara. The mighty totara. Look at the trunks on them. Amazing. But let's get on. It's just a little nature walk. I'm not going to talk all the way. I want you to enjoy the nature around me as well. So back in the old days, and I'm not sure how long ago it was, there was a flour mill here, and this small river, a small creek, was dammed up to provide the water. I guess it was for the water wheel for the mill, and of course that's all long gone now. That's another story. That's a history story. Today we're doing a nature walk. So I did just try to do this live, but the quality of the video was not good. But thank you to Sarge and Dave and Joey and Janice for all being there for me, and it was nice to have a chat. But I did say I'll come back and do this as a video rather than keep going. I don't like poor quality, and I was getting messages to say it wasn't good, so I think it's better to be able to share this with you, and you can see all the beautiful, you can see it clearly. And yeah, we've just come into a little part of it that's more like a park, so it's all nicely looked after. Local houses up there. The water is just gorgeous. Another totara. I was just saying to my sister-in-law, where I've been for the night, how lucky we are here in Auckland to have such beautiful nature areas, places that have been kept pristine and really, really beautiful. And people come down here and use them, walk their dogs through, of course. It's a great little spot. Come down and have a picnic. A lovely Rahina. It's Monday. Rahina. You'll not only learn kia ora from me, but you'll learn the days of the week, and you might learn a few other little bits and pieces from me in Maori language. So Y is water, W-A-I. We're just coming here to a beautiful tree. This is a swamp cypress. That's more than 100 years old. Of course, all these trees have a great water supply, so that's why they're looking so healthy. But the root system of the swamp cypress is amazing. When we get around the other side, you'll see where the roots actually pop up. And they look like, I suppose, meerkats or little hobbits here. Pretty cute. As the water just winds around. It's a big part of the old flour mill, I suppose, here. I'm not sure, but it looks like it's been here for a while, or it could just be drainage. Yeah, it could just be drainage. And coming around here, we have another silver fern here. The silver fern is called the ponga, P-O-N-G-A. And coming out of it, look at this, the most beautiful koru, or the new beginning. This is one of the nicest koru I have seen for a long, long time. So this is the new beginning. It's another symbol of New Zealand. So the unfurling of the frond, look at the little baby ones coming down here as well. It is gorgeous. When they're little, you can eat them, often put into hangi on top of the food when it's cooking. Just gorgeous, and especially with the water, just water. You will get used to my Kiwi accent. Yeah. You see the way the ferns just, they love the water, of course. The sunshine's beautiful on them this morning, more koru through here. Really beautiful. Really tall, really tall. So we have another very, very tall fern like this. It's called the mamaku. Let's follow the water. It does follow the water. This looks like a magnolia tree here. I think it is. This is where we've just been coming from this direction. I could have done this walk in a couple of minutes, but I really think it's worth spending the time just to walk beside. A couple of minutes, I could have done it in 5 probably. I think it's just worth looking at, taking the time to have a look at all this gorgeous nature around. Really beautiful. Then at the end I'm going to take you out to the street and just show you one of the the main road that comes into Pukekohe from the city, from Auckland. Pukekohe, about 28,000 people. It's in the middle of the farming district. They grow lots and lots of good vegetables out here, famous for the long-keeping onion and the potato. Harakiki there, and Pukekohe, the cabbage tree. I see a couple of nice birds have just come into land there as well, singing a song for us. An oak tree. Just walk through here a little bit. Oh, I can hear the ducks. Let's see if we can go and find Mother Duck. Lots of bird noise everywhere. We came for a walk through here last night and there was a mother duck with one little duckling. I don't know what had happened to the rest of them. All the oxygen weed in the water. Must be lots of eels coming through here from time to time. So it's not slime, it is oxygen weed. If you've got goldfish, it's great for them. Yes. Whee, good. It's a beautiful Monday. Oh, there's a little power station here. Some other people coming into the park. We've got a sign here. What does the sign say? It says Hickeys. Hickeys Dam was built on this site. It was 75 feet wide with a race on the hillside that took water to the Pilgrim's Flour Mill on Cape Hill Road. Boys off to school. Morning. We'll just continue on down here for a little way. Back of the local houses. So today I'm heading back into the city, and I'm going to stop at Mangere Bridge at the Manukau Harbour to look at the migratory birds that are there at the moment. So I want to check on the poaka, the pied stilt, which is there, and I will come to you again today, another broadcast. Hopefully the birds will be there, but if they're not, there is the most beautiful, beautiful Pukekohe. Oh, here's Mother Duck. The most beautiful Pukekohe tree there to show you. I don't know, this walk seems to get a little bit better. It's changing. I don't see her duckling, but it could be a different duck. We're almost at the end. You can see there's a little bit of traffic going by there. Toi toi. So beautiful toi toi. It's one of our grasses. Love a nice toi toi over there. It's very, very pretty. Similar to pampas, but it's not, it is native, it's dainty and it's pretty. It's darker in colour. Harakeke here, the flower from the flax. So this is flax seeds. There used to be big mills for harakeke, was a big business in the old days as well. The flax, similar to linen, but it's used for baskets and weaving and mats and wall linings, wall hangings, panels, a million different uses. I'm just going to bring you out to the road. We'll have a look at a bit of the local traffic going by. And wow, there's a gorgeous, big magnolia tree here. Beautiful. So imagine in the old days this would have been busy with the flour mill and the dam and people working. There's a bird. Oh look, we could walk across here. This would be great. I bet this has been put here as a little bridge. That would be pretty cool. Early morning is the best time to look at everything, I think. Everything's always lovely and fresh and there's a lovely smell in the air. This magnolia tree's huge. Oh, it's got some flowers. Hopefully we can find one we can find one that's low. Here's one right here. Love looking into a magnolia. Wow. When it's fully open, it's as big as a dinner plate. Little bud, not out yet. He's gorgeous as well. Oh, the smell is divine. Hello. Yeah. And then we've got what looks like snow all over the ground here. This is actually, you can see it all everywhere. It's pollen, I guess, pollen or dust. It's like kapok. It's from the poplar trees. So a little bit like, yeah, it's like cotton wool. Goes around here. So yeah, lots of variation on this little walk. Great to see these areas untouched. And we're just going to walk out to the street so you can see a little bit of not only the nature but yeah, a little bit of human activity as the traffic's, probably a lot of this traffic's heading out of town to work. Oh, we're opposite New World supermarket. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm there. I'm Louise Zuzu, which is Louise and then Z-O-U-Z-O-U or Z-O-U-Z-O-U. I'll be at the supermarket later. I'm a bit of a supermarket sleuth. So I do my supermarket things on Instagram. Hickey's Recreation Reserve. No mai, haere mai, welcome. Here we are. So I'm just going to walk home now. But I'm going to finish. Here we go, New World Pukekohe. Beautiful day. Going for a walk up the Pukekohe hill a little bit later. I'll probably be doing a little bit of Instagram from there. Oh, the Pukekohe tree, gorgeous. What a way to finish. Nature. Absolutely. The New Zealand Christmas tree, which you'll be seeing plenty of from now until Christmas as I share them all out with you. This is a gorgeous one, look. And the bees are coming in as well. Where's Mr. B? Mr. B's right there. There we go. Finish with the Pukekohe. Get him nicely into focus. There we go. thanks everybody, thanks for watching, thanks for walking with me. Sorry we're not live, but the picture was not good enough for live. So here we go, pre-recording, pretend I'm live. Thank you so much for watching. Kia ora, ka kite anō. See you a little bit later. Oh, here he is. He's a good finishing spot, isn't he? Look. Oh, gone. Sorry, there we go.